Here we are again. Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So today I want to talk about organizer planner tips and tricks. So I love to utilize, as you can see behind me, this is a DAC board, Google Calendars, our whole life events, work events, everything are on Google Calendars. And I think that's great. But I like physically sometimes writing lists and things I want to do and how I feel and where we are. And that really helps me to organize the things that are happening in my brain. And I wanted to share with you the organizer that I love. It is called the Do Less Planner. This is by Kate Northrup. This one's not open. This is a gift for a friend. But I have my own and I absolutely love it. It allows you to sort through the weeks, the months, maybe the seasons, how things are cyclical with either the moon cycle or your own cycle or whatever. It's really, really cool and it makes it intuitive. I think it's one of the planners that I use it on a daily basis. I use it every morning. I use it on Sundays to plan my week. So if you want to get organized in regards to like head clutter, this is the one I would recommend. This is a great holiday gift. Check it out. I've tried a lot of planners. This is the one I love. So yeah, I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think. All right. Thanks for joining this week's Just the Tip.